Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? Hope you all will be fine. Students, today our topic is about respiration. First of all, we will discuss about what are the learning objectives of our lesson. Students, today you will be able to define the process of respiration and gases in the balance. First of all, we will discuss about what is the respiration. Plants and animals obtain energy from their food by chemical process. This process is known as respiration. Basically, in this process, food is combined with oxygen and carbon dioxide, water and energy release in the form of product. Students, keep it in mind what are the reactants used in this equation. Food plus oxygen used, and in the response carbon dioxide, water and energy is released. Next one is gases in balance. In this process, sunlight, plants make oxygen for photosynthesis. You know, plants make oxygen in the process of photosynthesis, but in the light, plant take oxygen. They use less oxygen than they make in the day. Plant take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen that we gain it. Next one is what is the importance of photosynthesis. Basically, students, photosynthesis is not used for only plants. All other animals depend upon it for every existence. Plants use sunlight to make their food in the process of photosynthesis that we have discussed in the previous lecture. And plants use it to grow the new leaves, stem, roots, fruits and the seeds. Basically, humans also use this light. Humans and other animals use plant matter as a food. When we eat part of plant, we are using plant's energy to help us grow and to be active. If you are eat meat, then you are using some of the energy that animal obtain from the plant. Energy that come from sun. You know, students, the major source of energy is the sun. Then energy is passed to all different living things, earth, in the form of food chain. If it were not photosynthesis, plants would not grow and plants cannot make their food. There would be nothing for animal to eat, so they would be no exist either. So, the process of photosynthesis is very important for both animals and plants. So, students, this is all about our today's lecture. Learn it and write the related question answer or your spring task. Thank you.